Kong Armor is the world's toughest deck armor coating system. I'm in Union, Kentucky. We're on a deck system here. This is in a condo subdivision. All the decks have to be brown. But I want to tell you guys about deck restoration painting from Kong Armor because it's amazing, an amazing tool for you guys to get your decks restored, get into a lifetime deck armor system, a lifetime deck coating system, and make your deck drop dead gorgeous and ultra protected. Restoration, cleaning, armor encapsulation, all in one process, all in one shot, anywhere in Northern Kentucky and Cincinnati. Look, we've come in here today already. We've only been here for an hour or so. This was washed yesterday, but we've come in, we're replacing cap rails. So the thing about the deck restoration painting process, when we come in, we keep everything that you have that's good. We come in, salvage and keep everything that's good. Everything that's bad, we can pull out of there. You can see they had some bad cap rails we pulled out. They had 7 to 10 bad, really bad floorboards in this area here. Right here you can see we're working with our ultra tough silverback epoxy. And what it does is it can fill out very large cracks and that type of stuff, and it helps us in resurfacing. Also, we fixed a pair of steps for them here on this deck system. But come in, replace everything that's bad, get the deck system washed up. We're gonna come in with the Kong system, Kong Armor, an ultra tough, thick build, high stretch, drop dead gorgeous, insanely tough coating system, and we're going to perform lockdown encapsulation on this entire deck system. And when we're done, you guys just wait, it'll be drop dead gorgeous, backed by the only local lifetime limited warranty and the only lifetime service promise for a deck coating system in existence today, right? So when we're done, we'll stay with this customer, life of ownership, and help them, which is an amazing value. It creates a situation where they never have to completely repaint or stain their deck system again, right? But you guys get a look, and then we're gonna walk you through when we're done and show you. I'm trying to do this kind of fast because I got an appointment to get to, so if I seem like I'm in a rush, that's why. We're getting ready to drop 2 more planks in here, but when we're done, when we're talking about drop dead gorgeous, this will be insanely beautiful. You'll be hard pressed to find any cracks in the floor. Kong is amazing. It has amazing resurfacing powers. It'll fill out all these hairlines. You'll also be hard pressed to find any fastener entry points, nail and screw heads that are left open. We're talking about the ultimate in protection for a deck coating system. True water lock, true expansion and contraction ability. Kong is amazing at its ability to take on scuffs. Mars can take on wind-driven rain, sleet, ice, has first-in-class UV deflection. It's just an amazing coating system to restore, resurface, and bring deck systems life. And that's what we're doing here in Union, Kentucky. Stand by, because it's about to be lockdown encapsulation. See ya. So peeling deck paint, old frayed, weathered wood, splinters, hairlines, cracks, exposed fasteners. We're talking about ugly deck syndrome. I'm here in Union. This is Union. This is Triple Crown, the golf course here. I'm in a condominium place where at this point we've done a lot of the deck systems in here. You know, a lot of them are under Kong Armor lifetime deck armor systems. If you look, we just finished this thing up, a high build film, tough, high stretch, world class UV deflection in this film. So the UV rays will come down and hit this, deflect off, and bounce back into the atmosphere. Splinter lock technology. Yeah, high build's gorgeous, bud. High build film technology is gorgeous. I don't see how you guys paint your decks and coat your decks in that thin residential stuff. You guys got to get away from it. you got to stop doing it. You got to get to an industrial film. You got to get to an industrial polymer, an elastomer like Kong, that's easy to maintain for life of ownership. Super easy. We came in, performed lockdown encapsulation here. This was old, ugly, beat down. So we have this deck here. We just did, not this one, but that one down there. We got this one here. And we were supposed to do another one down there, but unfortunately she canceled because she couldn't wait, because she didn't get to go first. She got upset and she got her feelings hurt and she canceled. But that's okay. That's okay. All of this was all weathered and beat up, and it looks practically new now. You don't see no hairlines open in that, do you? No hairlines, no way for water to get in, nothing. Same thing down through there. Look how beautiful that is. That's that thick build film. There's nothing like it. There's nothing like it as far as resurfacing older wood decks. And again, I'll put some, if I haven't already, I'll throw some pictures in throughout here. The darn sun always ruins my videos because we're always finishing in the evening. And it's always casting shadows on the decks. And when I was here earlier, what's this look like back through here? You know, you see all the shadows, how you can't tell what the deck looks like. It's drop dead gorgeous. Get up here out of the sun and you can see just how gorgeous Kong is. I mean, absurdly pretty. This was all obliterated, just old weathered pine. But again, I talk to you guys about pine all the time and how it's versatile and how its weathering is usually contained to the first 1/8, at the most 1/4 inch of the top layer of it. The rest of it is usually really strong and stable wood. It's a very, very versatile and tough building product. There's a reason why we've been using it for so long. When you add pressure treatment to it as well, most of these weathered planks that you guys can see, that you guys see on decks throughout the tri-state, if you can get a thick build industrial coating, you can resurface them. They got 20, 30, 40, 50 years of life left in them. And people pull them up and they replace them because of that much weathering on the top of them. It's silly. It really, really is, especially, well, you know, you guys are marketed thin coatings, and that's the problem. You guys don't have anything that you're aware of that can easily build them out, and I can understand that from a homeowner's perspective. You know, when you look at my decks, when I finish my systems, you know, my fastener entry points, they should all be closed off. These were deep fastener entry points, and it looks like that one's open, but it's actually not. If you look closer, the coating's all the way down in there, closing it off. The hairlines, everything in this, all closed off, what we call true water lock technology. There's no way for water to get in here, access the fasteners, cause corrosion, and cause rot. Kong can expand up to 300% and contract right back down to size, so it can keep up with the movement of this wood, which is what they need. It just takes away from the beauty of this deck. I can't even show you all how pretty it is because of it's just, you know, all you see is shadows. And I gave these customers a lifetime limited. They can show the company for life that we've committed poor trade, that the system's failed them on a massive scale. Somehow we'll come out, we'll fix it. We'll fix it for them. Fix it for them for free. And some people, they get a little caught up on that, on the warranty thing. I give deck owners another program. It's called a lifetime service promise, where we come out, we wash their deck systems for them. If they have any dings or dents in their coating or scratch, they're locked into an affordable hourly rate where they can have it touched up. It's simple with Kong. Get a thick, tough, high build film. Wash it once a year. Spot touch it up if it has any little dings or drags in or anything like that. It's very hard, extremely hard to damage Kong outside of some type of service that would take more than an hour, 2 hours tops to repair. I think that would be pushing it. It's a very tough film. High build, gorgeous high build, tough. Fasteners covered. You guys can't get this anywhere else. Beautiful, beautiful finish here. I'm happy with it. I know this customer's happy with it. I've already talked to him. Said, hey, can you wash this once a year? And if you have any little, little damage spots, have it touched up. Doesn't that seem like a great day? He's, oh yeah, man, I can do it. Okay, well, let's do it. It's easy, super easy, super simple. In fact, it's so easy that there's a select group of people out there that just can't grasp it. It's out of their ballpark for whatever reason, right? Want a free quotation? Get to kongarmor.com. Signing off from Union, Kentucky. See ya.